Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we have to study the area of a triangle. Now, we have the base 14 meters, height equals 5 meters, and the question here of the problem is find the area of a triangle. So to find the area of a triangle, our solution, so we have to recall the formula of a triangle, finding the area. So area equals to 1/2 of the base times height. And then, since the base and height is given, we're going to substitute to our formula base times height. So the base now is 14 times height is 5. Then we have a 70. Then divided by 2. So the area now of a triangle is equals to 35 square meter. Okay, the next problem, number 2, the base of a triangle is 9 centimeter and the height is 7 centimeter. Find the area. So the same formula that we're going to use. Area is equals to 1/2 times the base times height. So the given base is 9, so we're going to substitute, times the height, which is 7. So 9 times 7 is 63, divided by 2, we have 63 divided by 2, then our area now is 31.5 square centimeters. Okay, the next problem is number 3. Given area 225 square centimeter of a triangle, then the base is equals to 30 centimeter, and find the height. So the height now is missing. So the same formula that we're going to use, the area is equals to 1/2 of the base times height. So the area now substitute, we have 225 equals 1/2, and the base we have to substitute 30 and the height is missing. Then we have to multiply 30 times height times 1 equals 30 each over 2. Then just copy the 225. And since we have a denominator, so we're going to multiply both sides by 2. So 30h times 2 divided by 2, so cancel. So the remaining is 30h, or 30, that's the height. And 2 times 225, we have 450 equals 30h. And we're going to divide it by 30, both sides. So we have 450 divided by 30 equals 15 centimeter, and 30 divided by 30 equals the h. So therefore the height is equals to 15 centimeter. Okay, now the last number, or the last problem of triangle, number 4. The area of a triangle is 135 square centimeter and the height is 15 centimeter. Find the base. So the base now is missing in this problem. So the same formula that we're going to use, area equals 1/2 times base times height. Then substitute, the given area is 135 equals to 1/2 base times, and the height is 15. Then we're going to multiply 15 times b times 1 equals 15b, then over 2, and 135 area is just bring down or copy. Then since we have a denominator of 2, a fraction at the right side of the equation, we're going to multiply this both sides by 2. So 15b over 2 times 2, so cancel, we have 15b. Then 2 times 135, we have 270. Then we're going to divide it by 15 in order to have the b. Okay, 270 divided by 15 equals 18, and 15 divided by 15 equals b. So therefore our base is equals to 18 centimeter.